Namaste dear students, how are you? So today we are going to do block 10 diet and health part 2. In our last video lecture, that was diet and health part 1, we have understood what is malnutrition and obesity and what are the bad effects of malnutrition and obesity on our health, and also how we can prevent ourselves from obesity and malnutrition. So dear students, today we will able to understand that diseases caused by vitamins and minerals deficiency. So in our last video lecture we already know that deficiency diseases are the diseases caused by lack of a particular nutrient in our diet, and that nutrient can be carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins, minerals. So let's try to understand one by one. So first, deficiency of carbohydrate and protein. So the disease caused by the deficiency of carbohydrate and protein is marasmus. In this disease, the child will become very thin and weak and have a very poor muscular development. How we can cure it? We can cure it by giving the child food rich in carbohydrates and proteins. Like we can give them eggs, milk, nuts, fishes, meat, like that. Next is deficiency of proteins. The name of disease caused by the deficiency of protein is kwashiorkor. The symptom is large belly pot. That means the stomach or the tummy of that child will be just like a earthen pot, and discoloration of skin. The skin will become dark, and frizzy hair. Frizzy hair means that dry, rough hair. How can we cure it? We can cure it by eating food rich in proteins like milk, eggs, pulses, fish, meat. Then the deficiency of vitamin A. The disease caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A is night blindness, and symptom is inability to see in less light or in dark. And we can cure it by eating lots of green leafy vegetables, milk, curd, carrots, mangoes, etc. So you can now think, child, that why your parents tell you to eat lots of fresh vegetables and fruits in your meal. So basically they want your eyes healthy. Now the deficiency of vitamin B. So the disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin B is beriberi, and the symptoms are stomach disorder, dry skin, ulcer in mouth. Ulcer means chala. So it can cause ulcer in mouth. Cure is to eat whole grain cereals, pulses, nuts, milk. Then the deficiency of vitamin C. The name of disease caused by it is scurvy, and the symptom is swollen gum or bleeding gum. We can cure it by eating lots of citrus fruit. That means that fruit which taste sour in taste. So like lemon, orange, that means basically we can say khatta in taste. We can eat those kinds of fruits to prevent us from the deficiency of vitamin C. Then the deficiency of vitamin D and calcium. The name of disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin D is rickets. In this disease, the person will have a weak bones and teeth, both arms and legs. That you can see in the picture also, that the leg is bended. And we can cure this by exposing our body to the sunlight. So our body itself prepare vitamin D inside it. Then we can also cure it by eating cod liver oil, milk, eggs. Then the deficiency of iron. The name of disease caused by the deficiency of iron is anemia. Symptoms are pale skin, tiredness, dizziness, and you can also feel that because of anemia, many of us is suffering from anemia in daily life. So we can feel that you are feeling tired, and you are feeling dizziness. So you can prevent it by eating lots of green leafy vegetables, fruits like apple, guava, banana, that can give you iron in your food. Now the deficiency of iodine. The disease caused by the deficiency of iodine is goiter. The symptom is enlargement of throat. You can see in this given picture how the throat is enlarged, and it becomes very difficult to swallow any food or anything inside the throat. We can cure it by eating seafoods and also iodized salt. That salt we are eating in at our home is actually containing iodine inside it, so it prevents us from iodine deficiency. So let's have a recap. Dear students, in today's video lecture, we have understood diseases caused due to the deficiency of various nutrients, symptom of the diseases, basically deficiency diseases, and cure of the deficiency diseases. Thank you and have a nice day.